6 ways to make money on Facebook. Number 1. Create videos with in-stream ads. In-stream ads attract the attention of a captive audience and are ideal for creators and brands with a sizable audience. When a user is partway through watching a Facebook video, they are more likely to watch the entirety of an ad if it means they can continue on with the original content, unlike a standalone ad in their feed, which they are more likely to skip. Number 2. Add a paid subscription to your page. Generate consistent monthly revenue through fan subscriptions, which encourage your most loyal followers to pay a recurring sum to fund your page. This is a great way for brands and creators with large, active audiences to monetize their page and reward fans with exclusive content and discounts. The Stars feature lets users buy a pack of stars to send tips to their favorite creators for additional revenue. Number 3. Collaborate with brands. Create content with a relevant, complementary partner to increase your reach and diversify your content output. There are plenty of brands that want to work with influencers, creators, and other companies to reach new audiences and raise brand awareness, and this can be a great way to boost your follower count and generate engagement. Number 4. Earn money directly from your fans. Facebook recently announced it will be placing more emphasis on organic video content made specifically for the platform to push back against users simply sharing TikTok posts. Creators and influencers will be able to unlock monetary rewards of up to $4,000 a month by completing a series of sequential challenges, such as generating a certain number of views on a Facebook Reel. Number 5. Run paid events online. Engage followers through a live event they can enjoy from the comfort of their own home. Facebook's paid events feature lets you schedule, set up, and run events through your page, which is perfect for creators and businesses moving in-person events online. Number 6. Drive visitors to your online store. Direct shoppers from your Facebook page to your Shopify store through the platform's social commerce features. This is a great way for brands who already have a small business on Facebook to capture consumers mid-scroll with shoppable ads and powerful calls to action (CTAs). You can turn well-performing shoppable posts into paid ads to drive more traffic and to find a new target audience you'd like to reach. Starting an e-commerce business, selling services, and creating digital products or merch all benefit from using Facebook's massive audience as a sales tool. With the platform's new suite of features made especially for entrepreneurs and brands, it's easier than ever to engage new and existing audiences. But don't get tied to just one feature or just one platform. Diversify your offering so that if one platform dries up, you have other streams of traffic and revenue. This is especially important today, when the organic reach of mammoth social media sites like Facebook are dropping by the day, and consumers are becoming increasingly skeptical of paid advertising campaigns. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.